my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. So yeah, I've got this product with me from Colourpop, and yeah, I ordered this ages ago, guys. So yeah, I don't have time to film, so yeah, I've been busy recently. So yes, so much going on, and finally now I can make this look for you guys. So yeah, I've got the parcel in here. That's the products, and I've got some foundation in here, the no filter foundation from Colourpop. So yeah, and then I've got the concealer, I've got the lipstick, and the brow product. So yeah, and the rest I already bought before. So yes, and without further ado, yeah, let's get started. So yeah, that's everything guys, and yeah, this is the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, I really do, and I like the products. The foundation is not my shade, but that's fine. And I like the highlighter, I like the brow kit or something, the brow color, this one. So yeah, I really like it. It's so pigmented, so you don't need to use too much. And the lipstick, it's not matte though, but I still like it. And yeah, that's the color. I forgot the shade guys. Uno Mas, I think. Yeah, it's Uno Mas. Yeah, it's from the Luxe lipstick collection. So yeah, it's not that matte guys. So yeah, I don't know, it's transferable, so yeah, if you don't like that kind of lipstick, then don't buy it. Yeah, but yeah, I just want to try them, and yeah, so far I like the shade, and I like their eyeshadow, their brows, and yeah. So that's everything for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!